Welcome back. In this session, we are going to understand this process flow: purchase requisition, RFQ, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice verification, payment. This is the complete process flow. Go to SAP and create a purchase requisition. Before creating purchase requisition, we are going to gather minimum required information for testing. Here I need vendors. Go to SAP. You can get these details from XK03. Press F4. Enter your company code. Here I have 3 vendors. Control Y, copy this. Next step is to get the material. Go to MM60. Here enter your plant. We already defaulted, that is the reason we are getting plant here. Execute this. Take this material. This is the number. Copy this. Paste here. Now ME51N. Here it is already defaulted because we defaulted the values from personal settings. I want to remove those defaults. We will keep plant 8801 and we will remove this storage location. So now enter your testing RFQ process. Copy this material, paste here. Quantity is 10. Press enter. Storage location 3001. Check this, we don't have any issues here. Save this. We have successfully created quotation. This is quotation number. Next step is to create a request for quotation. Go to ME41. Close this. Here by default you are going to get this one, RFQ type AN. If you want you can see more details. This is RFQ. This is English. Request for quotation date, today's date. Quotation deadline is 06/11/2020. This is the quotation deadline. Now enter this purchasing organization, purchase group and plant. Click on a reference to purchase requisition because we are going to create this request for quotation with reference to requirement created in previous step. Click on this. Go to Excel. This is a requisition number. Press enter. System copying this information from requisition. This is very important, collective number. We need to give one collective number for this requirement. So this is required in a coming step. We are going to understand. It could be anything. Here I am going to give collective number DAL 1, 2, 3. Note down this number, collective number. This is the number assigned to this requirement. Now press enter. See here, system is showing these materials from the purchase requisition. You need to select this and click on adopt. Please enter delivery date later than deadline for submission of bids. See, my deadline for submission of date is 6. My requirement for this item is on 8. Press enter. Delivery date next working day is 9. Okay. This is based on calendar, it is suggesting 9. Press enter. See, system copied this material from purchase requisition. Next step is to send the RFQ to the vendors. Before sending RFQs, we need to create a request for quotation vendor wise. Here I have vendor. Here I have first vendor, second vendor, third vendor. So select this. Copy this here. Copy this vendor number. Here vendor address. Click on this one. Enter this vendor number here. Press enter. Here we are creating RFQ for this vendor. Click on save. See, system generated first RFQ. RFQ created under, this is our number. Note down this number. Against this vendor, this is my RFQ. Now copy this vendor number. Enter here. Press. Save this. We are going to send the request to this vendor as well. See, one RFQ is created. Copy this number. Now copy this vendor number and create a RFQ for last vendor as well. Press enter. Save this. See, system created RFQ for this vendor as well. Number is this. Close. We have successfully created RFQ for 3 different vendors. These are RFQ numbers. In next step, we are going to understand how to display and print RFQ.